Check the viscosity on the rear quarter panel.
Looks consistent. We have full coverage at 50 microns.
Torque specifications met.
Alignment is good. Confirmed.
Gap measurement on the rear panel is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Testing port functionality now.
Look at the thermal readings right here.
They are within tolerance, but close. We should monitor the next cycle.
Check the dampening rate on the rear left.
It's within tolerance, but the vibration is high.
All systems green.
Documentation complete. Approved for rollout.
Check ramp alignment on platform 4.
Verified. Locks engaged.
Verify the manifest for lane 2.
It matches the queue. We are green across the board.
Check the alignment on row 3.
Looks good from here. All green on the terminal.
We need to analyze the bottleneck at checkpoint 7.
It looks like the energy draw on the newer models is causing the delay.
Alignment complete. All vehicles cleared for departure.
Confirmed. Releasing the lead units now.
Confirmed. Ready for outbound.
Copy that. Sequence initiated.
Vehicle 4B, confirm route clearance for Sector Gamma.
Confirmed. All lanes green. Proceed with dispatch.
Looks good on timing. Proceeding to the next checkpoint.
Roger that.
Adjusting speed for the following unit. Alignment check complete. Handoff sequence initiated.
Confirmed. Ready for transfer to ceiling.
We have a bottleneck forming in lane 3.
The system shows a 20% slowdown. Reroute the next batch to lane 6. The alignment on lane 3 is perfect.
Good. We can increase the flow rate by 10%.
Interlock status is clear on the main gate.
Copy that.
Wheel locks engaged and verified. Ready for deployment.
The flow rate is steady at 50 units per hour. Confirmed. We are clear for the next batch.
Did you clear the manifest for Unit 12?
Yes, routing is confirmed. They can roll in 5 minutes.
Ensure the silver convoy maintains speed through checkpoint 4.
Acknowledged. Traffic control is diverting the trucks now.
Today.
Yes, we're hitting the targets.
Spacing is holding steady at 5 meters.
Confirmed. Data looks good on the lead vehicle.
All silver modals cleared for the east exit.
Copy that. Adjusting flow rate now.
The flow rate is optimized for the next hour.
Looks good. We are clear for transport.
check suspension on Unit 7.
Looks nominal from here. Confirming.